Please welcome Nidhi on our MYV channel. So,
Thank you.
yeah, now Nidhi, please tell us about yourself and about your career and about your website and all the activities you have performed.
Yeah, we started with this website in 2017, and since then we are trying to cover lots and lots of stories about the common people. So this is about Story of Souls. About me, I had been a healthcare administrator in the past, which I left my career, and then I started as a content writer because I have to move abroad with my hubby. There, I started blogging. I never knew blogging could be a new avenue for me, but I started as a part time hobby. But then gradually, some really nice clients started coming to me. I was able to write something for the magazines as well. Being in healthcare gave me an opportunity to write something more about healthcare related content, which we could do it for the magazine features, and we could able to interview some of the elite and the top people from the industry. That is all I started with the content writing. So when the content writing thing was going on, I was able to do it for the magazine. This increased my horizon, my network. I was able to have some really good clients that were Amar Ujala and Jindals. And then after that, I got an opportunity to write a book about healthcare administration. So
Okay.
these were the things I started doing in. Yeah.
Great. So, in 2017, you started this Story of Souls website, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So tell
Yes,
us more
right.
about
You're
that
right.
particular, your venture, how it started, and how you got a
Yeah.
success in that.
Yeah. See this basically when I started writing, I realized that writing is quite a healer for some people. So as you write, it is like venting out your own bottled up emotions. Sometimes there are things which are there in your mind. You don't want people to share with others. There are times people are not available. They don't have time to listen to you, and they may judge you. So there could be these situations because of which you are not able to communicate your feelings or your thoughts to those people. So now I brought this platform to the mind. However, I had been thinking about something bringing of such sort, but could not materialize and finalize. But then gradually we zeroed down to one thing where we decided that yes, we want society to speak. We want them to have a mentally stable thing. There are comeback stories. There are stories by which people have been able to overcome. Like me, I moved on from some profession. I was being judged, but then still I keep moving on. So there are lots and lots of people who are progressing. They're all common people, but still they are doing something phenomenal about themselves. So if they are able to survive those pains, they are able to overcome such kind of situations, depression, and are still floating in a very nice manner and in a decent manner. That is what is our criteria to feature them. We
Okay.
don't want anybody to judge them. We do not had any criteria. There could be any word limit. You could speak any of your stories. You can go anonymous also. You don't want that people should know about your story, so we can make you anonymous. We don't want to have your name also reflected. The only basic idea behind this platform is you should share. By sharing these feelings, it's like you are venting out your things. You are able to relax as if you have communicated about your funda or about your story to somebody, and then you have vented out. Things become better. You feel good, you feel happy, and then you are able to move on. This is the
Correct.
basic idea.
Correct. It's a nice idea. But how
Yeah.
you sustain? Because it
Yes.
seems that this particular website, featuring common people, how you
Yes.
sustain your, profession and your venture.
Yes. To sustain this venture, there are two, three things. One is there are people who are able to give us some or other amount. We don't ask for a certain amount, but yes, with our story, and then they pay us. This is up to them. This is their criteria. Number two, we are having the PR. We are doing PR from these people itself. We are doing platforms, and all the PR activities are being conducted
Okay.
from our this platform. These all things are, we have several and several opportunities for them to get the PR done. There are books, we can do them, the talk shows there, awards are there. There are other platforms where we can get their feature of the story and about their brand, we speak about it. So through the Story of Souls, we have created a huge network by which we are doing PR. Now PR is a professional activity. Whatever money that we're getting in from that PR, we are putting it back and we are fueling this Story of Souls.
Mhm. Great, great, great. Really superb.
Yeah.
While doing this, what was your motivation behind this to start this particular, website? And
Basic idea was just to help people because there are lots and lots of homemakers. They are not able to do it. In fact, I thought that I will be able to help them. In fact, these stories are inspiring me instead. I myself is getting lots of inspiration from these people. I have created a network wherein the world may say that yes, these people are doing something different, but trust me, these people are able to help me in a lot and lots of ways. From one story, I could get 10 more stories. People are there to help me because the cause was so generous. We do not have anything in our mind which is beyond of a hidden motive or anything like that. So that's how people are actually helping us in lots and lots of ways. So while we are helping the society is coming and giving us the help back.
right, true.
That's what I will say is a very nice kind of a way to promote a healthy humanitarian kind of thing which we are trying to promote. People feel good about when these things are been written. There are times when people say there is nothing great about my story, so why do you want the story to be written? I'm not a data builder or something like that. So
True.
but when we get their story published, there is another reader at another corner who will be inspired for sure after reading that 5 minutes of a good story, because this is all the common man who actually want to live, survive in a healthy manner. Now there is a story of this guy who had tried, I think, 18 or 20 jobs in his profession. That story picked up really, really well. And we have so many comments on the website wherein everybody is coming and saying, we also have to change our job. So one story can be a motivation for another person. So now those people who think that my story is of no use, I really want to say all these people that your story is actually helping and motivating lots of other people around the world. So you never know who you are motivating. So this is just a platform by which we are trying to connect people, help them, and bringing a various kind of positivity to everybody and a mental wellness itself.
Yeah, very great job. So
Thank you.
just want to know that this particular your story of souls, you must have some success stories, or by doing that story, you really felt very well, and also the other person also was thinking great. So you have such
There
any
have been
particular incident or anecdote?
Yes, there are some places wherein these stories, there is one story of this water lady. So this water lady is this lady who is selflessly working towards creating water ATMs in the rural regions. So that story reached to United Nations, and there was journalist who was doing the research about this system and how can the system be brought into another place. So that is where they connected us, and we tried to connect this to this lady. So she spoke with them, and I don't know how did they both took it forward, but yeah, we were able to help her reach to United Nations. That was really a very nice milestone, that one we have received. Another one was of this tea guy. He's a businessman by profession and he has his tea business, but his way of making tea is a little expensive kind of a thing, and we try to tell what is the process in a storytelling format. That story also reached to China, he himself has his own contacts, and through there it also reaches to Howard. And there once he began, he was one of the tea guy from India. He was featured there, and he became a speaker in Howard. So there are some really nice milestones by which we are able to achieve. There are a lot of achievers who people do not know, but as we feature them, then they became somebody who's eminent, who's prominent, who's an achiever today, or they are doing really well. I mean, this just boosts their profession and their career and their life itself to tremendous levels.